think all along, the central government have not forsaken one country, two system. In fact, they really want one country, two system to work. But if you look at the past 2 or 3 years, it just demonstrate our system is not working. We have seen rioters destroying businesses, people dare not go out at night, business people are frightened about their businesses, their restaurants get smashed. Is that democracy that we can keep? So to change it, we need something new and suitable for Hong Kong. Now we are back on track, and hopefully we can still carry on. The Western system may not fit everybody. We just want the best system for Hong Kong. And this is the best system right now for Hong Kong. If you look at for the past few years, we just have endless filibustering, stopping all the legislative process, even in a bill that is not, harmful at all. So hopefully after the change, that the Legislative Council can focus efficiently on the livelihood issue, the economic issues, and the issues that can get Hong Kong back on track.